guys, welcome to my channel and IELTS Academic Interactive Learning Series. This video is first of a kind on YouTube, I think. So we will be discussing a whole lot of things about IELTS Academic, how to prepare, tips, various tips and tricks, and most importantly, the format or a system that we need to follow for some particular sections. For example, the format that I was talking about in my previous videos in the writing section. In this particular series, at the end of all the videos, you'll have an option to select the next video that you want to watch. For example, in this video, you'll have an option to select between 4 sections at the end. You'll have 4 pop-ups, one for speaking, listening, writing, and reading sections. And you'll always have an option to move back to the previous menu by clicking on the card above. Like right now we have a pop-up to move to a different video. So in the next set of videos, after this particular video, you'll have an option to move back to the previous menu where you can select other videos as well. So guys, let's start this interesting journey with an interactive IELTS learning series. Let's make learning fun again.